Sì! Mario!
Attenzione, portare per fratello.
Ravioli.
Pocon, se t'ha cotto rapportato con a posto che è stato rapportato. E tutte le cotto catturate con sempre da chete.
Yeah!
Spaghetti.
E con tutto, e sembrate. Va bene, sotto corrimento e badano prosciutto, da euro.
Yeah, guys, I really don't know what that was all about. Like, Mario's a doctor and he can't even read or write. Anyways, I guess he told me I need to teach you guys about dividing decimals, so that's what we'll do. So the first step of dividing decimals is setting up the problem like you'd normally do with long division. In this problem, we have 4.50, the dividend, being divided by 0.05, the divisor. Next, we're going to move the decimal if the divisor is a decimal. In this case, we move the decimal of 0.05, the divisor, 2 places to the right. Next, we're going to move the decimal of the dividend that number of times. In this case, because we moved the decimal 2 places to the right for the divisor, we now move it 2 places to the right in the dividend. Next, we move the decimal point directly up above the division bar. And finally, we divide the problem as we'd normally divide a long division problem. In this case, 5 does not go in 4, so we move over. It goes in 45, exactly 9 times. Put the 9 up there, subtract 45, get 0. And we're fully divided out, so we fill the rest up with zeros, and our answer is 90.0.
This is an NBC News special report.
World record Powerball prize growing along with the lines to buy tickets for Wednesday night's historic drawing. The jackpot now close to $1.5 billion.
Wow!
E con tutto, e sembrate. Pocon, se t'ha cotto rapportato con a posto che è stato rapportato.
Yeah, so I guess Mario just bought a lot of lottery tickets. I mean, it's not the smartest thing to do. Probably goes back to him not going to school. Anyways, I guess we could solve a problem if he bought $2,408 worth of lottery tickets. How many lottery tickets in total did he buy if each ticket cost $10.75? All right, so we start out with 2,408, the dividend inside the box.
Had to put a steak in the box.
With the divisor 10.75 outside of the box. Next, we move the decimal space of the divisor over, which in this case is 2 spaces. Next, we move the decimal place of the dividend however many times, which we just said was 2, so we move that over twice. Next, we move the decimal directly up above the division bar. And finally, we just do the division like we normally do. 1,075 doesn't fit in 2, doesn't fit in 24, doesn't fit in 240, but it does fit in 2,408. So we fill the first 3 spaces with zeros, and then it's going to fit twice, so we put a 2 up there. 2 times 1,075 is 2,150. 2,408 minus 2,150 is going to be 25. So we carry the 8 down. But 1,075 doesn't go into 258, so we also have to carry a 0 down. And we subtract 2,150 up again after we put a 2 above the line. And that gives us 43. But 1,075 doesn't go into 43, so we have to drop a 0 down. It doesn't go into 430, drop another 0 down. And so finally, we're at 4,300, which 1,075 goes in exactly 4 times. And then subtracting 4,300, we get 0. And we have a final answer of 224. So So he could buy 224 lottery tickets. Jeez, Mario. Alright, I think that wraps it up. I'll just remind everybody once more about the steps, which are, first you set up long division, like you normally would. Then you move the decimal of the divisor. Then you move the decimal of the dividend that many number of times. Then you move the decimal point directly up above the division bar. And then finally, you divide the problem as you normally would.
Thank you so much for playing my game.